STIGMan application managers have access to a collections management workspace that will show them all of the collections managed by the system. This interface shows you some basic information about the collections, their name, the owners of the collection, how many users have been given grants to this collection, the number of assets in the collection, the number of checklists managed, when the collection was created, and the internal ID of the collection. By default, app managers do not have access to these to the contents of these collections, but they can grant themselves access, and this will create a special audit log on the back end. You would just select your collection here and then hit add grant, and I will add STIGMan admin as an owner to this collection here, and you can see now the owners has updated. You can also add group grants to this using this interface. So I'll give the networking group here a full role to this collection. You can also delete grants here by selecting the grant and hitting the trash can button. This interface allows you to create new collections. Here's a new collection. And from this interface, you can add grants just like in the other interface. You can add some admins as owners here, and then create the collection. And now you can see we have a new one. You can also delete the collection from here. You just select the collection and hit the delete button. If you're using a utility like STIGMan Watcher to import checklists into STIG Manager automatically, you may need this interface to look up the ID of the collection. So here you can see it looks like I do not have Watcher assigned, so I can assign STIGMan Watcher user here as a manager because they may need to create assets and save that. And now when I configure Watcher, I'll specify that it should import assets and checklists into collection 11.